We got a mounting issue with this little Arctic Cat light system. Somebody put the lights on the top hood and it come apart, and I need to figure out how to mount that for them. Something that would be smart, doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't rust, you know. So this is what we got. They had it mounted to the top, plastic on two spots, and it broke out. This hood is meant to come off during the summer and stuff, and this windshield. So your mounting options are kind of limited. I'm thinking if I could get a bracket on here that I could clamp with a hose clamp, probably two places. It would bring the light up here, and then, or at least the base for the light, and then you just mount it to the base, and it could swivel so that you could take your top off and still have your light. You could take your windshield off and still have your light, and you could even put one in the back here. You know, if you wanted to light in the back, do the same scheme with the hose clamps, because they're stainless steel, they won't rust. So the key is to get a bracket that's going to be worth a damn. This is the bracket that'll come off of the little 4x4 for the light. There's going to be two of these, a right and a left. I'm going to hold this on with a hose clamp, one up here, one down here, so there'll be no welding to the roll cage. I will weld this bracket right here onto this tubing. This is a standoff. This gets me away from the roof. This actually tucks up into the roof. This stands out above. I won't let any water get into any of the joints. I folded this over, and I'll weld that up. Okay, there's the bracket for this side. It's on with the clamps. I can tighten it a little bit tighter, but I've got an ear sticking up. I probably have to bend that so it's straight. I got the same thing on this side. Okay, this is my connecting bar between the two sides. I'm gonna weld this here, this joint, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Here it is raw. I'll put it up, put that light bar on it, take a look at it. Essentially it's done. I've got this assembly held on with a hose clamp on each side, and I'll probably just have two on each side after it's painted. This right here is rubber tape over your roll bar, so there's no chafing, and there's no welding to the roll bar or nothing, so that's always good. I just kept your system for the swivel. That's all the same, but there's nothing touching the rig. You could take your top off, the windshield off, and still keep that light bar on there. So this side is exactly the same, and that's the back. There's just your stainless steel bolts going through. So I think you got something that'll last a little while anyway. Okay, I've descaled everything, and we're ready for paint. Two clamps per side, mounted in the back. Your swivels are the same as they were. You got a lot of adjustability there. No rattling of nothing that's connected to the light.